Right then, so I've been spending rather an entertaining morning inspired by some work created by Miles Berry, a friend and colleague online, and he has created, using MicroPython on the microbit, a text entry system based on Morse code. So essentially the way it works is you press the A button to do the dits and the dars, as it were, and you press the B button to scroll the message that you've input on the device. And what I've done is I've refactored Miles' code a bit. So the first thing I've done is I've added the ability for the microbit to beep at you, so you get the genuine Morse code sound effects. And the second thing I've done is you'll notice there's more wires that go across my desk in my shed here. To a second device, because Morse code is all about communicating. And so what I've done is created a little Morse code based network. So I can do exactly the same thing on here and receive the message over here and vice versa. Now, pin 1 here is the output pin and pin 2 is the input pin. And if we go back to the other device, you'll notice that the orange one is connected to the input pin, and the output pin here is what was connected to the other device's input pin. So just to prove that it works, I'm going to try and press in SOS on the first device, and you should see it being received over here. S O S. And if I click this button here, SOS is the message that device received. And if I click on here, let me just reset that one. SOS was what was sent there. If I click on the other device, we should see it receiving here. SOS. And if I press B, we get the message scroll over. So this is a great example of the very basics of computer networking, and it's so incredibly easy to set up. It's just a few crocodile clips and program using a very short piece of Python. So hopefully we can turn this into some sort of little project that kids can try at school. Thank you very much, Miles, for the inspiration this morning.